Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Couple. Today we've got these Valentine's Day DIYs. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. And don't forget to check out our Facebook group, the Crafty Couple DIY group.
For the first craft, you'll need 2 of these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint them using the color Truffle from Waverly chalk paint. Also, you'll need these Tumbling tower games, also known as Jenga blocks. You'll need 6 of them for each heart. For the paint, I watered down the truffle color so it gives it a little bit more of a stained look. Then paint all of the Jenga blocks as well. I wanted these hearts to have a really distressed look, so I grabbed the white Waverly chalk paint and I'm dry brushing it on to the hearts in different sections so it looks like wood. For the Jenga blocks, you're going to glue 2 of them together. And then leave the 2 in the middle unglued because that's where the heart is going to go. To attach the heart, just glue one side of the Jenga block and attach it to the heart and do the same thing on the other side. Then glue the rest of the Jenga blocks on both sides of the heart. For this next project, you'll need 4 of these puzzles. Go ahead and take out all the pieces, you won't need them. I'm just letting my kids paint them. Then you'll sand off the lettering on the back. And then just like the hearts that we did before, I'm going to water down the truffle and paint the whole entire thing. I created the Scrabble looking letter just on my computer and then printed it off. If you have a Cricut or a silhouette, that would definitely be a lot better. For the small numbers, I scribbled pencil on the back just so that later on I can trace it and it'll leave a mark. And then for the heart, you'll just want to paint the whole entire thing red, and then that black border that goes around it, I cut it off in the end. Go ahead and attach everything using ModPodge. When I put the letters down, I did get quite a bit of wrinkling in it. I would try and put more Mod Podge on the base before you add the letter. And then just remember to paint the whole entire board with Mod Podge in the end so that it all looks finished. For the small numbers, I scribbled on the back with the pencil like I said earlier so that I can just trace it and then paint them afterwards. Then I just went in with some black paint and a really small brush to trace it. To get them to stand up, I glued on just a little Jenga block on the back. To start out, I grabbed one of these cute little decor pieces from Dollar Tree and I'm going ahead and take off the middle piece. For the inside, I already had this fabric on hand. You can go and get this fabric at Walmart or you can go get some buffalo check paper at any of your local craft stores. To attach the fabric, I'm going to use the same ModPodge as earlier. Make sure to put quite a bit on the back so that it'll stick, and then once you put it on, you'll put a lot on top of the fabric as well. Then for the heart in the center, I'm just using one of these wood hearts from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue it in the middle. It does have a sticker on it, but it doesn't stick very well. And for the final craft of this video, you'll need a full sheet of foam board from Dollar Tree, and you're going to measure it out 15 inches and cut it out. For the shiplap, I measured out every 4 inches. Then using part of the foam board that you just cut off, use that as a template so that you can use a Sharpie marker all the way across. Then do that for every section all the way down. Now we are on to the fake wooden frame. You'll want to measure out every 1.5 inches and 3 inches, and you'll need 4 of these. To measure how long you'll need the bottom and the top piece, just line it up with your other 2 pieces and cut them. To give it the wooden look, you'll grab this dark brown contact paper from Dollar Tree. Then cut out 4 pieces to fit. This is the easiest way that I found to attach it. Just put it on there and slowly slide off the backing of the contact paper and cut off all the 4 corners so that you can fold it back in. And then go ahead and add all your wooden pieces. This metal love sign is from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to use the Waverly chalk paint and the color ink to paint it. And then finally we're going to move on to the heart. This heart is also from Dollar Tree, and I grabbed all these flowers from Dollar Tree as well. To attach all of them, I used the hot glue gun, and I got 3 different colors so it gave it the ombre look. To get the heart to stick, I just hot glued the back and then pressed it onto the foam board. And then just hot glue the love sign. And don't forget to check the description for all the products used.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.